there! This video is a special dedication to our friend Mighty Lionson and all our friends from Nigeria. If you're looking to make money online without any experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how you can earn up to 262,500 Nigerian Naira every single month, right from your phone or laptop. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss out on more ways to make money online. All right, let's jump in. Have you ever heard of Surveo? It's one of the top paid survey sites, and yes, it's 100% free to join, even if you're in Nigeria. Here's how it works. First, sign up in just a few seconds. No long forms, no complicated steps. Every day, you'll get new surveys and studies. Just pick the ones that interest you, answer honestly, and you're done in just a few minutes. Now, the best part, every survey you complete puts money in your pocket. That's money you can withdraw straight to your bank, PayPal, or even as Amazon gift cards. No hidden fees, no tricky requirements. Surveo is super easy to use. I love how clean the dashboard is. You always know what surveys are waiting for you and how much you've earned so far. Once you hit the minimum withdrawal, just cash out and treat yourself. Or save up for something big at the end of the month. I know a lot of you might be thinking, can I really do this from anywhere? Absolutely. As long as you have a phone and internet connection, you can join and start making money from anywhere in Nigeria or the world. So what are you waiting for? Take a few minutes, sign up for free, and start earning today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Let's help each other out. And if you've tried Surveo or any other survey site before, share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share this video with your friends, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new way to make money online.